Here with us at the Misumi India booth is the MD of Misumi India, Morishima-san. Welcome to the booth at Indomach 2025. Could you please tell us why the eastern region is important for Misumi India?
So, Namaste. I am Morishima, Misumi India's MD. Recently, the eastern region's business is expanding, but currently we don't have any sales staff in the region. I want to know this region's potential, and if the potential is high, we want to hire any sales staff and any technical staff to develop our customer satisfaction.
Great. Also, what are the kind of components and solutions that Misumi India brings to the customers over here?
So we have two categories of type. First one is factory automation. This is for the automation machine components. And the second one is press and mold components. This is a die for the automotive products. We can provide these products. It's same as other region.
So what kind of industries can use products from Misumi?
Basically, our customer is automotive, electronics, and any other specific purpose machine maker. We provide these products.
So you've heard this from the MD of Misumi India. We are here from 6th to 8th of February at Adityapur Auto Cluster at Indomach Jamshedpur. Come and visit us and experience our vast variety of products.